Sky. Bumalik siya. Automatic na.
Sinong nandun? Chef ni ano? Sightseeing ha?
Video!
Nakabityo ba? Hindi, 3 miles lang naman eh. Balik tayo after 3 miles. From the pave, going up again?
Yeah, from the, you know, when we reach the pave.
And then go down into another valley.
Oh,
Yeah,
good.
and then you'll hit Sausalito, and from there you can.
Go back to the bridge? Yeah.
I usually make a big loop. I come from...
We should have done that, right? We should not come back.
Yeah, but we.
Alright, so this is... See, this is the trail that goes all the way down and hits...
You think how many miles would that?
Tennessee Valley Road. There are some stables over there with some horses. And you can take Tennessee Valley Road all the way back here. And then...
Now we're gonna go back and then take another
and then you'll get to...
hop in there.
Oh, really?
It's really
So
nice.
we have to cross the road, right? And then there's another one over there.
And you
We're
can
gonna go
actually...
after.
Yeah, when you get to the stables at Tennessee Valley Road, you can either go right to Sausalito back to the bridge, or you can go left, and that takes you to the beach. Oh, that's pretty nice too.
Really? Just from yours.
How far is the beach from the Tennessee Valley?
Like a mile.
Oh, not bad.
2 miles.
Yeah. You wanna go back, guys? Concrete road.
It's like it's paved for a little bit, and then it gets to it's dirt.
Yeah, and then use the stairs.
Straight to the side.
We're just gonna skip the bridge. We're okay with the bridge, right? Just park here.
Yeah, it's good. It's about like a
Away from the traffic, away from the city, you know.
yeah. I think it's about like a 30-mile loop or something. Wow.
That's good.
Half of it is downhill.
Whew. Tayo muli. Whew. Anniversary ah. 4 years? 3 years?
Yeah.
4 years na. Kailan na tayo?
Parang 2 years.
Ha? Imagine ha, mano? Taas ka ng San Francisco. Pag nagmabike mo lang yan, makikita.
Oh, 380. Para bang kinocross lang yan.
Dito
para
na
may
101 na lahat eh.
Pick tayo, bike na lang tayo pa uwi.
Ay, hindi naman tayo abutin ng bukas siguro.
Panatin mo lang.